Hello, thank you so much for joining me in this new video. This time I would like to talk to you about the various tools available in the Infinix AI suite. Interestingly, it's the equivalent of Tecno AI since they are sister brands. So let me explain all the functions we discover in this suite, which, intriguingly enough, this brand includes even in their super affordable devices. So let's delve into all its functionalities. Let's begin. To begin with, we have Folax, known as Ella in Tecno. In both instances, it serves as a quite effective voice assistant. You can activate it by pressing and holding the power button, which, by the way, displays a pleasant animation. Alternatively, you can wake it up using certain gestures, like sliding from the bottom edge to the center, or even by double tapping the navigation bar. Additionally, we can engage in a text chat mode with this assistant. Actually, we could enable voice activation by training it with the Hi Folax command if we wanted to, or the Tecno equivalent. So as you realize, activating this assistant can be done in many ways. However, let me demonstrate its capabilities to you because it also comes with its own app. Through this app, we can log in, and within the same application, it presents us with a conversation dialogue interface. Additionally, we can access the Explore tab, where we have the opportunity to learn about all its capabilities. In fact, it's quite network to manage system elements, or also to search and consult information from other sources, since it is connected to the network. DeepSeek, which is very smart. Let's have a conversation so you can see how it works. I'll activate voice capture. Hi, I'm testing this assistant. Can you list 3 of your top features? Notice how it responds quickly and intelligently. Now, let's ask it to write a brief 2-paragraph essay about Infinix and its historical development. And take note that once again, in this particular instance, it's going to be functioning for a mom and will provide us with the outcome. Essentially, this is akin to the equivalent of ChatGPT, yet in this scenario, it is seamlessly incorporated into the system to activate it in various ways. It genuinely works. Excellent for questions, queries, or requests. It can remember things for future conversations, but here it lacks memory, so it retains the conversation's context, but will forget what you've said in future talks. However, take note of how I emphasize that it possesses multiple intelligent features. For instance, you can instruct it to open the camera, and in doing so, it will carry out the commands you provide. I really wish it included a feature similar to a walkie-talkie mode, in which the voice detection would immediately cease once you release the button. But in this situation, when you press and hold the button, it merely activates the assistant, and even after you let go of the button, it continues to listen attentively to you. So, we introduce you to Folax, the voice assistant that serves as the main character of this device and its artificial intelligence, enabling you to query a wide range of information. In fact, you can also discover Folax Smart Touch, which will allow us to extract content from photographs in various ways. Here, we have a list of applications that it is compatible with, and indeed, we can add other applications if we choose to utilize them there as well. For example, if we're on Instagram and the option is enabled, we can hold with 2 fingers on top of the screen and watch it again load this new interface that's going to examine everything, and very similar to Circle to Search. Enables us, for instance, to choose the text so that we can extract it effectively. Additionally, we will come across the call assistant, which theoretically is designed to provide us with an automated artificial intelligence response. This is particularly intriguing because, for example, if you're unable to answer your calls but you don't want to miss them, you have the option to select whether you prefer a male or female voice to respond on your behalf. In this section, you can decide if you want that. Respond personally as an owner, boss, or custom. In this case, we are going to set boss, and that is your secretary. Here you can select if you want this automatic answer to be enabled 3 seconds after the cell phone is ringing and you don't answer, or enabled immediately or up to 30 seconds after it is ringing. In this case, I will select the immediate option, and in fact, you can enable the Do Not Disturb mode so you will not even be interrupted by calls, and your artificial intelligence secretary will take the notes for you. Let's try it.
Hi, this is Isa's secretary. Isa is not available to answer the phone at the moment. If there is anything you would like to say, please let me know, and I will record it and relay the message to you.
Yes, of course. I wanted to invite him over for a soccer challenge at the Canchita tomorrow at 5 p.m. or so.
How exciting. You have anything else to add for Isa?
Yes, make sure to bring money for pizzas and a soda at the end, and don't worry about bringing a ball with you. We already have one.
Understood. I'll relay the message. Is there anything else you'd like to include?
That's it. Thanks.
Alright, I'll convey your message. Have a great day.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
The reality is that it was truly fascinating to see this feature, and it's quite amazing that the first time I encountered it was on a device at this price point. This really demonstrates how Infinix is genuinely interested in providing its users, even those with budget devices, the opportunity to access these kinds of cutting-edge features that we typically only find on high-end devices. It's worth noting that in the notepad we will find summaries of these calls, including the ones that the cell phone answers on its own. And you'll notice that at the top it provides a summary of the call, and it also allows you to access the recording of this call, along with the detailed point-by-point transcript. This means you can not only view the summary, but you can also go through the complete transcript. Honestly, the Smart Secretary is highly effective. In fact, you even have the option to set it to automatically handle calls from scammers, salespeople spam, real estate agents, or delivery services. So if it detects that some numbers are coming from these types of sources, we'll automatically provide an answer for you whenever you might need it. If you want, you can deactivate it or leave it on. Another fascinating feature is the call summaries. To enable this, you must press a button while in the call view. This will ensure that it records automatically and then creates a summary afterward. You need to select your language first, and once that's done, you will find the intelligent summary and detailed transcription of the conversation in the Notes application. It's also useful for picking up pending points or analyzing a call. We'll also find the real-time call translator, which works well. Configure your language, choose male or female voice and adjust speed. Then select if you want your voice muted and only hear the translation or both. Likewise, you can choose the other person's language and decide if you want them to use a male or female voice. Here's an example.
La otra persona está utilizando
Hello,
la
can you
función de
hear me
traducción
well?
de llamadas. Hola, ¿puedes escucharme? Así.
Sí, puedo escucharte. Escuché que estás usando una función de traducir llamadas. ¿Eso es cierto?
If I can hear you, I heard you were using a function of translating calls. That's true.
Yes, it's a very nice feature included in this Infinix phone.
Sí, es una característica muy agradable incluida en este teléfono Infinix.
¿Sabes qué es lo mejor? Que funciona muy bien. El traductor habla de una forma muy clara y suena fluido.
You know what is best that works very well. The translator speaks in a very clear way and sounds fluent.
Oh yes, can you tell me what are you gonna do tomorrow?
Oh, sí, puedes decirme qué vas a hacer mañana.
Sí, claro, voy a ir a un concierto de un coro en el cual estaré encargado de proyectar las letras y las pistas de audio.
Yes, of course, I'm going to a concert of a choir in which I would be in charge of projecting the lyrics in the audio tracks.
Oh, what a nice thing. I hope you are doing a great job tomorrow.
Oh, eso es una cosa agradable. Estés haciendo un gran trabajo mañana.
Ah, muchas gracias. Por supuesto estás invitado a ir a ver el concierto del coro. Ahí te espero.
Ah, thank you very much. Of course, you're invited to go see the sky of the choir. There I wait for you.
Oh, thank you. See you tomorrow.
Oh, gracias. Nos vemos mañana.
To achieve optimal performance with this translator, it is necessary to use formal language. Additionally, if you wish to use the speakerphone feature, ensure it is enabled prior to entering the translation mode, as this will ensure it functions correctly. One potential area for improvement is to inform the person awaiting the response, with some tone or feedback indicating the other person is listening to the translation, as the wait times might be lengthy. While the other person listens to the audio, the translation becomes very quick. We will additionally find the translation assistant included here in the cell phone. It will assist us in translating content that appears on the screen. Alternatively, we will have various other tools to help with translation while traveling or in similar situations. Notice, for instance, we have the face-to-face translator, which provides a two-view interface. This allows each person to view the translation in their own language. We also have the AI-powered meeting button. Just click it to start recording, and it will automatically translate in real time what others are saying. Note that the other person doesn't need to pause. They can continue speaking, and the device will update the transcript automatically. So, this is a mode that I find to be extremely useful, especially when you're interacting with people who speak other languages. Whether you are in a different country attending a conference or engaging in something similar, it proves to be quite beneficial. Moreover, this translation tool offers the capability to translate PDFs. Therefore, if you're a student who enjoys conducting research in various languages, it can significantly assist you in your studies. Additionally, there's the hands-free transcription feature, which provides you with the ability to view the transcript of whatever discussions or conversations are taking place, allowing you to follow along with ease. In fact, you also have a full screen mode or you have a floating mode so you can watch it while you are in other applications. You just have to enable the necessary permissions. Although being a system application, I would like this to come already configured. But well, once you enable that option, note that you would have this ability to see in a floating way the transcript of things that are being said. And take note that in this instance, this floating button shows up after you've granted it the required permission to initiate these transcripts. Similarly, you can view subtitles, but if you haven't logged in, your usage will be limited. However, once you log in, which you can do using Google, you'll gain access to these extra transcription tools. In this scenario, you are provided with up to 10 minutes for free, or you can choose to access paid packages that offer more minutes. Additionally, in this scenario, you have access to a tool that helps you correct grammar in various languages. It can also help you expand the text you plan to say or create summaries. So you have these writing tools available in different languages as well. Moreover, we discovered a social assistant, which should be able to provide you with call summaries. However, interestingly, it doesn't appear to be functioning on WhatsApp in this particular instance. You would also have available the bidirectional translator, but I insist that it does not seem to be available in WhatsApp, and in this case, it does not allow you to configure in which applications you want the option to appear. We also find the document assistant, which will allow us to work with a document in an interesting way. For example, we can upload the document with the fax, and then simply by interacting here, we can attach something to this wizard. In this case, for example, we will select this file, it will upload it and ready. It can help us to summarize it, or we can ask it questions on the same file. And it can also be used for studying when you have a PDF file. You can even ask the document to quiz you, and that's it. This helps a lot of organizing your information. All this without any subscription or payment. There's also a writing assistant. Notice that in some text fields, you can simply select the text and then click on the AI writing button, which is where you have the option to change the style. Now, for instance, when dealing with a lengthy text, you have the option to summarize it. If it's not too long, you might prefer to make some corrections, such as checking spelling and grammar. Alternatively, you can choose the text generator button. This option allows you to take a short piece of text and transform it into something more elaborate or sophisticated. Simply wait a moment, and as you can observe, the text has already been expanded. Let's agree to this change and keep in mind that we can also adjust the tone to make it a bit friendlier. Again, we have to wait a few seconds, and that's it, the change will be applied. Otherwise, we can also change the tone for something more professional or concise, so with very simple touches. You can quite easily modify the style of all this text. It functions effectively, making it certainly another highly useful tool that we typically only encounter on high-end expensive devices. After that, we encounter IA Note, which will enable us to convert our basic drawings and simple doodles into something considerably more sophisticated and refined. We press this button inside the Notes application and we have to start drawing. Obviously, the more detailed your drawing is and the more specific it is in terms of colors and more, the better the result will be. In this case, we are going to try something simple. I'm going to draw over here what for me is a goal, over here a soccer ball, over here we're going to paint a grass green. And over here, we're going to draw some small bleachers. Let's find out if you can understand me, because honestly, I'm creating a really messy drawing. You can tell me if you understand what I've sketched. Let's see if the artificial intelligence can figure out what I've drawn. The more detailed your drawing, the more advanced the outcome. He understood this and you can alter the style. Clearly, the change is abrupt between my drawing and the final result, but it's intriguing to have all these tools readily available without subscriptions or fees. It just includes an Infinix watermark. Additionally, we have the feature to summarize audio recordings. Similar to having transcription, this feature is very helpful, especially when you're recording meetings or events like that. You simply press the button, wait for the meeting to completely finish, and once it's over, you'll have the option to transcribe and directly summarize the content. Just as it happened with the calls. Look, here we have the button to transcribe. Just select the language. Wait a few seconds and you will have the result ready. By the way, these results are stored directly in the Notes blog, where you can have both the full transcription and the smart summary. We will also find the option of wallpaper generator with artificial intelligence. It's important to note that you have the option to select a personal photograph and then choose the style you wish for it to be transformed into. For instance, in this scenario, We are going to pick an effect reminiscent of South Korea. We will select a photo, and that's all there is to it. Let's observe what happens. Just wait a few seconds, and there you go, we have the result. What do you think? Honestly, it's quite fascinating. To create other wallpapers, you can also choose the magic words option and simply type in the background you wish to use, then choose the style you prefer, whether it's more or less detailed. For instance, in this particular case, we are going to choose a specific photographic style. We will then write about a sunset scene at the seashore, incorporating various color effects to enhance the imagery. We just press generate and see what it gives us as a result. With this, you could have completely unique wallpapers because no other person will have this same image. Finally, you will also have the option of artificial intelligence cropping, so you can press and hold on an image and watch it do the analysis to be able to extract it. You can save it to the temporary clipboard. Remember, you can use other apps without lifting your finger, then release and send. While WhatsApp doesn't recognize it as a sticker, which could be improved, it's a feature often found on high-end devices. What do you think? These are features Infinix offers in its AI suite and technology. And truth is, it's quite a complete suite, given these brands usually release affordable devices. We've reached the end of this video for now. If you liked it, let us know, and we'll see you next time.